All right. Finally, we come to the last subatomic particle, the electron. Now, by this point, you should notice the atomic model kind of on the right side of your browser now. Now, that's a Bohr diagram. So why don't you take a moment right now and pause the video if you need to, or pause the presentation, and draw that in on your notes. I know I didn't place like a specific area on your notes for that, but draw that in there while I keep jabbing my jaws here. Now the electrons are located in what we call the energy levels or energy clouds. I'm going to use both of those terms, energy levels or energy clouds, interchangeably. So don't get confused if I say energy level one day and then the next day I say energy cloud, because we can use those both pretty interchangeably. Now, electrons have a negative charge, and they have virtually no mass. So I bring it back to the target field analogy. If the nucleus is like a golf ball in the center of target's field, then your electrons would be like mosquitoes zipping around that nucleus, taking up the rest of the space of the stadium. They're virtually indetectable as far as like we've never like stopped and grabbed one electron and analyzed it. We can only see how electrons interact with matter around them. So, and obviously the positively charged nucleus tugs or attracts the negatively charged electrons. So that's a little bit about that.